AC compressor weak. Tahoe, Chevrolet Tahoe. Issue: compressor working but not working in the gauge. There is no pressure for the gauge. We have a leak also in the high pressure hose. Need to replace the compressor, and because it's around 75, it's almost 70. The normal pressure of compressor is 40 degree down. Need to replace the compressor and the pressure hose and AC condenser if you replace the compressor.